Environment-based exercises. Flower drawing. The students should go to the nearby garden where there are different types of flowers. They should study the flowers through different medium of art. They should observe different types of flowers, structure of their petals and bud, branches of the plants minutely. Draw the pictures of different flowers on cartridge paper with the help of pencils, ink pen and colors. Lotus flower. Step by step. Study the lotus flower and color it step by step as per instructions given below. After completion of the flower drawing, apply light tone of diluted watercolor with a round brush. Light tones of crimson lake, lemon yellow with touch of light green. Now, keeping in mind the light and shade of the picture, use middle tones of the colors. Whiteness of the paper can be left to maintain highlights. Middle tones of crimson lake, lemon yellow with viridian green. To give final depth to the picture, apply dark tones of colors. Poster white can be used selectively to bring more highlights to the picture. Highlights with poster white, dark tones of crimson lake, viridian green with touch of ivory black. Flower and leaves, pencil. Flowers are the most popular subject in the field of art. While sketching flowers or leaves, we should keep in mind that the picture do reflect the feeling of their tenderness. Study the different flowers drawn with 4B pencil. Draw and shade them. Leaf drawing. There are a variety of leaves in different shapes and size in nature. Almost all the leaves are based on geometrical shapes. They are circular, triangular and square. They have different kinds of color and textures. Tree study. There are various types of plants and trees in nature. To sketch trees, outdoor sketching is the best method. These pictures of trees, given below, are drawn with the help of pencil, brush and ink pen respectively. Tree, watercolor. Since watercolors are transparent, these can be easily put on each other and still the effect of earlier color will be visible. Study the picture of tree and color it step by step as per instructions given. 1. Light tones of color have been used after completing the drawing of tree. 2. For depth 3-dimensional effect, apply middle tones of green color by using wet in wet method. 3. To give a final touch to the picture, dark tones of colors have been used. Tree, pen line. Many kind of trees are found in nature. Any such subject can easily been drawn by line and dot medium using an ink pen. Tree, poster color. Since poster colors are opaque, we can start coloring the picture with dark tones of color. Tree, sketch pen. Drawing the picture of tree with colored sketch pens is an interesting process. Line and dots have been used in this picture drawn by sketch pens. Landscape, poster color. In landscape, we draw what we see around us. Landscaping becomes easy if we study the nature separately. By studying separately we mean the separate study of trees, clouds, water, flowers, fruits, huts, etc. Since poster colors are opaque, landscape coloring should be started with dark tones. Now, draw the pictures with pencil. Landscape, pen and ink. This landscape has been drawn with pen and ink. While drawing the picture, special attention should be given to light and shade. Sound practice of lines application very near to each other should be done to give depth. Some of the selected transparent colors have been filled after the sketch was completed. Birds drawing, pencil, ink pen and brush. While drawing birds, the study of their gestures and postures as well as their physical movements is very essential. The selection of medium, ink pen, pencil or brush depends upon your choice. Kingfisher, watercolor. For realistic drawings, it is very important to study the nature, movements, colors and the activities of the birds. Animal drawing, cats. It is very interesting to draw a hairy animal with a graphite pencil. Pencil is really a good medium for beginning of art. It can also be used for thin and thick line, light and dark strokes. Animal, brush and ink. Drawing animals through brush and ink is not an easy job. You will have to practice doing strokes with thin pointed brush. This is the quality of a brush that you can draw every types of lines thick or thin with it. Students should decide boldly and confidently from where they would like to start. Hold the brush lightly while drawing the picture. Camel, watercolor. In order to make pictures of animals, the shapes and structure of their bodies can be easily understood on the basic geometrical shapes.